advantages of this new sensor are not only from the domain of automation and automotive sector, but it is also in the sector of logistics or intralogistics. Here, what comes very, very handy is the ability to scan further distances. We are able, with this new scanner model and generation, we are able to scan up to 6 meters or beyond, which makes really, really great advantage when picking from very deep, basically configurations, like the deep multiple boxes stacked on top of each other, or I don't know.
It can be also like then palletizing. So putting them back, you need to make sure that you are precisely placing those boxes, and then checking, measuring how you place that, but also manipulating these small objects from a higher field. I mean, our field of view has been always exceptional, and now we are even pushing the boundaries further down. So maybe we can.
At this use case, I would like to point out that thanks to our extended operational range, extended HDR, we are really able to have one set of parameters that are working for very near objects, but also at the same time very far objects, with very far objects, and regardless of its brightness or reflectivity. So robustness of our sensors have been really greatly improved by this latest addition.